Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unsubscribe someone on Klaviyo. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type klaviyo.com and hit the enter button. That should take you into this page. And as you can see from that page, you can actually click at login if you have an account. Once you click here, as you can see, this will take you to the login page. So all you need to do, just go and enter your email, password, check if this I'm not a robot, then log in into your account. Of course, you can even log in with the SSO. If you don't have a Klaviyo account, you can click at let's get started so you can actually create your account. Just fill all the information needed here to create your account. And of course, click at Get Started to create your account. Once you're logged in or you created your account, you'll find yourself on this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on Klaviyo website. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, we would like to unsubscribe someone. So of course, you'll have simply the first thing is just to navigate to the Profile tab on this left panel right here by clicking on it. Of course, here you can just go and click by name or phone number on the person that you would like to unsubscribe him. For me, of course, let's say as an example, the person is going to be Theo or something like that. Hit the enter button. That's going to be his email. So simply click on the recipient who you want to remove. As you can see, that will be him. And simply from here, I can actually remove him from the SMS subscribers by clicking add this remove option. Once I click on it, as you can see, he's actually unsubscribed from the SMS subscribers. And I can even delete his profile if I want by clicking at this option. And as you can see, do you want to delete this person will be removed their profile and data. Once you deleted a person, it cannot be undone. The profile will be accessible until the deletion is complete. So click at delete profile and compliance with data privacy request. Click at delete person, and he will not be just unsubscribed. He will be deleted as well. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.